Mauritius is well known for its golden sand beaches and its turquoise-coloured lagoons. But Mauritius is also a country of valleys and forests, luxuriant vegetation, all conducive to relaxation, all perfect for getting back on your feet, for resting in total peace, to find restorative well-being. A jeep is one way to discover the exceptionally beautiful scenery and the many herds of deer and doe that roam free in vast domains. The more athletic can travel on quad bikes through vast wild areas. But nothing can beat discovering the island on horseback to feel the calm of its charming, totally natural scenery.